Hello friend, how are you? I hope you are feeling well. So this video giving knowledge to you about principle of inheritance and variation. So before starting the video, if you like, subscribe my channel and like it. So in this video I am including incomplete dominance and other phenomena which are not included in law of Mendel's. So first of all we want to know what is mean by incomplete dominance. Uh, just like to say Mendel, if we making cross between two parents, if neither dominant nor recessive character expressed in F1 generation, there is blending of traits in F1 generation. Such conditions are called incomplete dominance. So due to blending, intermediate can be produced. We can take example of Mirabilis gelapa. You see here Snapdragon, Mirabilis gelapa, both are good example. So we are taking red flower plant and white flower plant. In F1 generation we have found only pink flower plant. In F2 generation we have found one red flower plant, two pink flower plant, one white flower plant. It means genotype is 1 is to 2 is to 1 and phenotype also 1 is to 2 is to 1. Why phenotype is different than Mendel? Because incomplete dominance. We have found neither red dominant nor white dominant. When both gene are found, it means small r and capital R. When both are found, they can express the blending of character or traits. So in such a way, it is good example of incomplete dominance. Next one, codominance. So how we can understand codominance? It is near about the incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance, what will happen? Both contrasting trait, dominant and recessive, can't express but blending is there. But codominance, there is no dominance, there is no recessive. Both gene in pair can be expressed here and both are dominance. We can take blood group example, ABO blood group example to understand this. So ABO blood group is good example. We have found four type of blood group A, B, AB and O. And if we see genotype of these blood group, gene are IA, IB and IO. IO also written as small I. It means there are three alleles, three genes. So it is good example also multiple alleles. But in blood group A, there is two chance, either IA that is homozygous condition or IO that is heterozygous condition. Same blood group B, IB that is homozygous and IO that is heterozygous. And blood group AB, that is IB, it means both gene are present and both are expressing at same time. This is proof that AB blood group is example of codominance. Both gene are expressing simultaneously, so we can express with the example of it. Now we need to understand the difference between both incomplete dominance and dominance. What is the difference? Because both are near about two. Incomplete dominance, effect of one or two alleles is more conspicuously, while codominance, effect of both alleles are equal conspicuously. Incomplete dominance, it produces a mixture of the expression of two alleles, and codominance, there is no such kind of the mixing of characteristic. Incomplete dominance in F1 generation, it does not resemble neither the recessive or dominant. In F1 generation, both parents are resembles. We can take example flower color, dog flower, snapdragon or Mirabilis gelapa, and we can take example of AB blood group in ABO blood group system in human being. We can understand by taking of this diagram. You see genotype of blood group A, that is IAIO, IAIA. It means genotype is AO and AA, heterozygous and homozygous. Same for blood group B, BO and BB. BO is heterozygous and BB is homozygous, and AB, that is AB, and O means O, IO, IO. O is recessive blood group. So in this table we can easily understand blood group AB showing both gene A and B, and it is good example of codominance. By understanding of this table we can easily understand to control the blood group there is three alleles, it means three genes, but at a time two genes are found. These are IA, IB and IO. So it is also called multiple alleles. Again we see what is the multiple alleles. They are multiple form of Mendelian factor or gene. It means more than two genes are available in same locus in different organism in gene pool. An organism carrying only two alleles out of two or more genes. For example, blood group ABO, there is three alleles are found, but at a time only two alleles are found. So we can easily understand. Next one is chromosomal theory of inheritance. So, what is the mean by chromosomal theory of inheritance? Sutton and Boveri both are united the knowledge of inheritance of gene, and they compare with chromosome. They have found gene are segregated during gametes formation. Same chromosome also segregated during gametes formation. Gene are inherited generation to generation. Same chromosome also inherited generation to generation. So in such a way, gene also making the pair after fertilization and chromosome also making the pair. So this parallelity between gene and chromosome is called chromosomal theory of inheritance. So easily you can compare between gene and chromosome. You can make table one side gene, one side chromosome, and easily you have to identify about it. You can see in this diagram how to chromosomes are segregate, how to meiosis in different meiosis, and out of pair one chromosome is transferred to one germ cell. It means gametes, and same one gene is transferred to one gametes as per law of segregation or law of purity of gametes. So this law can be applied to both equally chromosome and gene. Same. We can say both can make pair after fertilization, so same law can be applied. After this we can understand linkage and recombination. So first of all, what is mean by linkage and recombination we need to understand. So before starting the linkage and recombination, I want to explain here. Up to Mendel, there is no knowledge about the linkage. So Mendel didn't show about the linkage, but T.H. Morgan attribute that there is physical bonding between gene. If gene are closer, they have nature to transfer together. Such kind of phenomenon is called linkage. And when distance is increasing between the genes, there is chance to make recombination, to make shifting the gene, the locus, or shifting the gene from the chromosome. Such conditions also known in meiosis, crossing over, or genetic exchange. So simply we can say linkage is inverse proportional to recombination. Such generation of the non-parental gene recombination can be done due to recombination. If we study the F2 generation, phenotype is 9:3:3:1, and 9 is similar to dominant parents and 1 is similar to recessive parents. But there is two new combination 3:3. These two combination can be formed due to only recombination. So both are good. Linkage can preserve the characteristic, and recombination can make the variation to make the evolution. By understanding in both linkage and recombination, we can make one more good topics, that is gene map. Student can discover about gene map. We can learn later, but you can see this diagram. This diagram it is explained by T.H. Morgan how linkage can be over. The diagram is given Drosophila melanogaster. In this diagram, this is NCERT diagram. You have to see parental combination for yellow and white color, and in hybrid generation we have found the parental combination and recombination up to 93% parental combination is found. It means both genes are very close. and we can measure the distance due to recombination only. And if for example 1.3% recombination is found, so student and crossing over or recombination. So first we know about the difference between crossing over and linkage. So in crossing over, it can link separation of gene. Linkage can make together genes. Crossing over make the exchange of segment between non-sister chromatids and homologous chromosome, while linkage involve the individual chromosomes. Crossing over make never exceed 50% frequency, while linkage may make a group of genes which can transfer of same haploid number of chromosomes. When crossing over increase, new gene combination can be formed, variation can create. A linkage can decrease the variability. So in such a way we can easily write the difference between crossing over and linkage. Now gene map, which is explained by student. So genetic में पे इस type of chromosomal map that show the relative location of genes on chromosomes. In such a way we can make the idea of locus of gene on that particular chromosome, and we can study that. And when we are making gene map on paper, we make the distance on the basis of recombination. Such distance is called Morgan unit. Such Morgan unit can be measured by centimeter, inch, meter. So we can easily make the diagram on the paper in centimeter. So generally it is called centi-Morgan unit. In such diagram you can easily understand there are some distance are given between genes sequence. So we can easily understand how we can make the genetic map. Thank you. If you like this video, you need to subscribe, and once again see